the counter that's dry. Riding the special like Bunny and Clyde. Don't worry, baby, I keep me some fire. Shenanigans and Birkin, she cannot decide. The ladies Mercedes will go to surprise. Don't sleep on Miss Lady, I should see her pride. Digging her back while I'm gripping her side. Digging back, this ain't regular size. We really fly, we like pelican guys. Bitch, you ain't slick, I can tell her the skies. Upgrade at my wrist, put baguettes in the sky. She sing I might sign her and change her whole life. I told her to goggle and work on her highs. Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turned to the city, I broke out the notch. Got some more millies, I keep me a knot. I created history, it made me a lot. He tried to diss me and ended on Fox. We call him Chopstick cause they gonna chop. Took her out of filers cause her pussy pop. I run it like Nike, we got it on lock.
K, money, K, bring them sinners. I wanna put it in the bag. I just passed it to the door like my stuff. I took the Billy cool back, then I hopped in the car. I put this bitch in front of the Billy in front of the driver. And man, the shit that is weed, he can't smoke in the road. Right, wow. I'm still double cut up, I'm drinking, I shoot off the tires. I'm in the coupe by myself. I had to kick her though when I was fast. Keep the hood ones on the shelf. Oh, sissy round in the fan. I'm sick and tired of these young niggas act like they fine and telling their lies. Acting like they the one created this and they get all this drip from my guys. Yeah, Cartier eyes, Cartier coat, Cartier ass to watch. Cartier look, Cartier to that. Cartier spent buffalo on the side. Prison cut diamonds, they Cartier, yeah. Cartier bad for the Cartier thought. Sky Wrangler cool with 200 a dash. Cartier jeans, ain't no way I can say. Ain't no way I'm ever gon' go out. Man, I can't go out, no way I'm gon' go out. I just grip on her ass and I show her. I sit like a champ and I wait on her whole lot. I just whip up a new Chanel paddock. I whip it the bricks and I don't break the door out. Turn that whole top floor to a whole house. 100 racks and one, 2 about to flood out.
I'ma stay so close to me that you would think we neighbors. But that pussy not what he supposed to be cause his mama raised him. We had a clear shot on his head, but I think God saved him. You never walked up, hit your man, you probably never grazed him. Hey, I'm a real gangster, there's some shit you can't rehearse. My pocket used to hurt, now I get racked to spit a verse. God bless me with some accuracy on the day I was birthed. Every time we get the drops, I'm the one who go scope it further. I'm in this car, they go so fast that it came with some merch. I go get free shit out the stove cause I'm fucking the clerk. He was talking gangster on the net till we found where you work. I can get you whacked for a little cash or a couple of perks. Took a nigga pole, shots to why you do that though. Hey, I'm from South Memphis, we brought up in gorilla mode.
Easy does it. These bitches ain't bustin' shit. These bitches busted. You know this box is like my watch. This shit flooded. What's the price? These bitches want it. Tell them up it. Without the money, I don't budge. What's the budget? You niggas gotta be on something. What's the substance? You hoes broke. Get the cane, get the crutches. I give them face, give them body, give them luscious. What's the price? Up it. I don't even know how I'm getting through the airport, packing around all this heat. I like my hair to my ass and I like my niggas down on their knees. Y'all hoes getting rolled like a chauffeur, fucking for cool points, nothing to show for it. He wanna ride but ain't bought a car. How you expect me to show up? Holy man, I chase been dead for a long time, face on the front of this paper. Ayy, this pussy bougie, this pussy choosy, pussy don't do no favors. Every time I peep, hoes moving like me, I gotta switch it up. But this shit don't never hit quite like this, cause your budget ain't big enough. Ayy, easy does it. These bitches ain't bustin' shit, these bitches busted. You know this box is like my watch, this shit flooded. What's the price? These bitches want it, tell them up it. Without the money, I don't budge. What's the budget? You niggas gotta be on something. What's the substance? You hoes broke. Get the cane, get the crutches. I give them face, give them body, give them luscious. What's the price? Lotto.
Lotto don't do budgets. Talk shit like your buddy. Trip shot can't pronounce big jets to Phuket. I'm like fuck it. Been that bitch ain't no discussion. Bitch I'm no percussion. Back up bitch you buggy. Beat the whole face don't need no brush. Double D's in my brassiere. Face is top tier. First to watch my story, but don't like me. Bitch is weird. Known to stand on all my business. I don't walk around with tension. If you gotta make fake pages to say it, that's mental illness.
Easy does it. These bitches ain't bustin' shit. These bitches busted. You know this box is like my watch. This shit flooded. What's the price? These bitches want it. Tell them up it. Without the money, I don't budge. What's the budget? You niggas gotta be on something. What's the substance? You hoes broke. Get the cane, get the crutches. I give them face, give them body, give them luscious. What's the price? Ayy, bitch, I'm up in my bag right. Pussy in my abs tight. Always going up on my feet like a gas price. On these bitches throat today, get red out like the last flight. Wait, I dog these niggas had to be one in my past. Ayy, baby, without my name, these niggas nothing. They should thank me. I'm a gangster, but I'm such a fucking lady. In the mirror, and it's clear why they hate me. Up the price, pay me. Easy does it. These bitches ain't bustin' shit. These bitches busted. You know this box is like my watch. This shit flooded. What's the price? These bitches want it. Tell them up it.
Crazy. Yeah, motherfuckers, I'm back. Skipping on the tracks, sneak his shirt, kicks that match. Check out my wrist. I start to watch. New duffel bag with the combo lock. Some people never heard of me, but I'm here to tell you verbally. You didn't even hear a third of me, cause I'm in the circle and you not. Big man for life, I preach that. You hear that? Hey, big man, that is what I'm repping. Act up, never learn the lesson. Act up, shot him and I left him. Looking like the salad and the dressing. You hear that? Big money, keep big money. Keep big guns, can't take shit from me. I'm a lion, you a cross dummy. Listen up when I tell you how me motherfuckers I'm back. Skipping on the tracks, sneak his shirt, kicks that match. Check out my wrist. I start to watch. New duffel bag with the combo lock. Some people never heard of me, but I'm here to tell you verbally. You didn't even hear a third of me, cause I'm in the circle and you not. Yeah, big man feel like I preach that.
Yo, I got 99 problems and my kicks ain't one. We got 99 problems, one of them is my gun. When we 8 niggas in the building, you know how it's done. But you will be a funeral, for us it's gonna be fun. So you niggas can miss me with who from the real estate. Cause to me it's all about when you copping your real estate. I got bitches trapped in the spot, popping the pill a day, touching they self when I rhyme, feeling anything I say. And there be so many bullet holes when I bring the slaughter. You look like a sprinkler if you try to drink through with water. Nice with the trading border, if you want it, you can pick a date. By then I will liquidate every piece of butter shake. I ain't on no sweet shit, but you know I take the cake. And I rap in my sleep, so I never take a break. Snub nose, sit under my hoodie so snuggly, cause niggas dream of bucking me, and bitches dream of fucking me.
Skipping on the tracks, sneak his shirt, kicks that match. Check out my wrist. I start to watch. New duffel bag with the combo lock. Some people never heard of me, but I'm here to tell you verbally. You didn't even hear a third of me, cause I'm in the circle and you not. Big man for life, I preach that. Hey, I blow up on my push up in the air. Me and my killers when we walk, we don't show no fear. Yeah, hey, I blow up on my push up in the air. Me and my killers when we walk, we don't show no fear. Yeah, when we walking now.
Freaking she still go to school. I put that bitch in a groove. Me and Nasty, they catch to the roof.
I was born with all this drip, I came out of faucet. When they put my bro in the chain gang, I almost lost it. So much jealousy and envy, gotta be cautious. I made some M's when I surrounded myself with bosses.
Had too many flaws, I got my Rolex flooded with flawless. Had too much drip, I had to invest into a closet. When I poked that 12 inside of a 2, I felt nauseous. If I pop another Tesla pill, I'm be car sick.
I spent a mortgage on my clothes, now I'm ballin'. Girl, I'm tryna fuck right now, no time for stalling. I just got a walk-in closet to put them all in. My whip so close to the floor, you gotta fall in. I stopped wearing Levi's, now it's balmy. Every time you see me, I'm with the same gang. I'm tryna get 100 mil for tryna maintain. Put me up another 6, I'm killing all pain. I was born with all this drip, I came out of faucet.
Alright, we're back. What's the deal, everybody? What's the deal? It's a statement. What's the deal? We are here. We fucking made it. Woo! Little Christmas vacation, holiday break. Break it up. Let's go. Alright, so hope everyone had a great vacation. Now, this is get the fuck back to work. Let me turn this down. It's loud as hell in my ear. Alright. This is great. Thank you guys for showing up. Hold on, let me put the right thing on here. Echo, sorry. Hold on. How about now? Is there an echo right now? Got a bunch of new equipment, chat. You gotta deal with it. Is there an echo right now? It is echoing. Alright, let's do this. This is perfect. I should have been here like 10 minutes ago testing this shit out. Alright. Mic, echo. Hello. Is there still an echo? How about now? Come on. We need echo. Hey, W. Hold on. But I turned something else off. Alright, so I turned off a couple of things. So now we gotta turn one of them back on. How about now? Echo? I need to know if there's an echo right now. No echo. Perfect. Alright, then we're gonna continue like this. There's no echo. We good. Yay. This is crazy. You know what reading chat sounds like? This is what reading chat sounds like. Alright, let's get into some trading. Alright, it's up to you guys. That's scary. That's what I'm reading the chat. You guys heard that, right? When I'm reading the chat, that's what goes through my head. I'm like, holy shit. We're back. Yo, I'm so glad to be back. This is crazy. Alright, Already 200 watching. Drop a like, sub to the channel. Let me know if something's going wrong with the volume, with the music, with the trading, and voices in my head. No, that's that inner bitch telling you to go do something else. Go play Fortnite. No, stick around here. This is the year to be successful. By the end of this year, every single one of you should be well on their way out of poverty. And if you're not there, and if you've been out of it a long time, or you know, you guys should be well on your way to the next level. It's going to be a year of growth. Let's get into it. Yesterday closed bullish, right? And we closed just above this most recent, but not really above it clearly, right? There's a support right here. I mean, there's a resistance right here. But regardless, I would look for today to fill the wick, even if it doesn't close above this area. It might come back close dojo. I would still expect it to fill the wick. 4 hour bearish. Ooh, 1 hour found some support. And let me mark off the 1 hour levels. So you guys have noticed Don was doing a lot of 5 minute. And we're going to try to implement, well, we're not going to try, we are going to implement a lot of that stuff here. Okay. Let me just draw my hourly levels, and we'll zoom in on these levels. Oh wow, I don't know if anyone's watching the college football playoffs on right now. It's incredible. The vibes are crazy. Georgia's running it up right now. All right, here we go. 30. I'm not too interested. I want to get down to the 5 and see how the 5 is working here. Oof. All right.
Let's see if you really trap. Turn off the auto tune. Let's hear how you really rap. Send a location. Come burn up, boy, if you're bad. Let's see. Your dad left home from young and you ain't done shit for your mum. Oh man, oh man. How you relying on man like gal? You're mad. You must have mad. You ain't never sat in a trap with a pack. Hear the doorbell ring and your heartbeat lag. Can't keep track. Been in the trap. It's hard. I can't keep up. Selling them party drugs. I'm the one that got the party ton. You ain't never sat in a trap with a pack. Hear the doorbell ring and your heartbeat lag. Never sat in a trap with a pack. Hear the doorbell ring and your heartbeat lag.
Okay.
This was saga feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas trying to talk in the strip club. Shawty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Caught up. That's just how a nigga brought up. Blown ones for your loony ass niggas. Straight bells for your toony ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like an ounce. Right quick. Tight jeans on so she feel my shit.
Okay. This is what our 5 minute looks like here. Okay. These are the levels. Okay. We will look for a buy above here on a closure. Okay. We had our range 2 breakouts bearish here. We were bearish. And we might have our range 2 breakouts bullish the other way above here. So if we do come back above here, I'm gonna look for some buys on the 5 minute. Shouldn't take long. We might get these buys actually fairly quickly, probably by the 8:30 candle. And if we look on the hourly, it's a solid level on the 30. Like I said, if we're gonna get it on the 30 candle, if we look on the 30, the closure above here, we tend to drive. And if we also look at the daily, this will be the daily flip. So we'll have many things going in our direction above there. So we'll zoom in, we'll look for that closure on the hourly, on the 5 minute. I'm so not used to saying the 5 minute, but it works, right? 5 minutes been working. And we're gonna look for this closure to look for something like this, right? Or something like this to drive us up, on the next candle. Right? Candle comes up, we close like this. We're gonna look to match these levels, right? At least here, this is our advantage point because we seem to drive to at least this area every time. This will be roughly 12, 13 pips in profit. We'll go break even, and then we'll look for runners to continue up on the daily flip, because then we'll have the daily in our direction with the daily flip, okay? And if that doesn't happen, to look for fake outs, maybe back into range 1. If we wait, clear this. We can look for fake outs below here. Low fake out. So what I'm trying to do here, my goal here, guys, if you haven't caught on and are not able to, or this whole 5 minute thing is going crazy in your head and you're like, how am I gonna grasp this concept now? My goal here is to show you that we're doing the same thing. We're just breaking it down to the smaller time frames. And yeah, you want the hourly and the 30 and the daily, technically, and the 4 all to align for you ideally, right? We're just getting really into the weeds with the 5 minute, and we're going down a time frame. But the idea is still the same, so I'm gonna try to mark it up for you guys as relatable as possible, so you can see that we're not doing anything different. We are doing the same thing, we're just also zooming in. Wow, 250 watching, 80 likes. Appreciate you guys being here. Drop a like, sub to the channel. We're on our way to 5K. I was hoping to hit 5K on this stream. Can we get 5K subs tonight? That'd be incredible, right? How many are we at right now, chat? Hold on, let me restart this. Oh, I don't think we're gonna get, we're like 60 away. Yeah, 4.94, I see. Thank you regardless. Not tonight, we'll get there tomorrow. 5K stream. Big dubs. And that's it. I'm so happy so many people showed up. Like, start the year off. I just hope it's not like the gym. Like, we always talk about, like, being on the charts and trading is very similar to being physically active and going to the gym, working on yourself. But then the first 2 weeks of the year in the gym are always packed with a bunch of the New Year's resolution babies. And then it goes back to normal. I don't want this to be like that. Yeah, the resolutioners. We could just sleep? No. You know what? Honestly, I'm missing live streams too. Kinda missed it. I watched Don's stream last week, all of last week, and I wanted to stream, but I had to stand, like, it was a matter of principle, and I gotta stand on principle. That defines you, right? felt weird, right? Yeah, I felt weird too. Where's Don though? That's what I want to know. He said he was gonna come through, never showed up. Yo, Wix, how's it hanging? Like a hammer. Hangs like a hammer. Yeah, I don't know what happened to Don. He should have. He wasn't with me shooting in the gym. It's 5 minutes, throw me something new to learn. Just keep learning the same thing. Just put all the concepts together. Look, you had to, when you were doing trading off the 30, you still had to utilize the 1 and the 4 hour and the daily, right, to do your entire analysis. And when you're trading off the 5, you still have to utilize your 30 and the 1 and the 4. There's no set amount of confirmations you need. It has to make sense. And a general rule of thumb is you want to really to all your time frames to be in one direction, but that's if you're like more of a novice trader. Overall, it's a great concept, but overall you can, with everything you know and everything you've learned in the last 2 years here on streams, just utilize the knowledge, and you can anticipate, right? You can anticipate candles, you can anticipate candle flips, because you have a high degree of awareness in these situations, and you go through them a lot. You're going to realize which concepts to apply. Application is the hardest thing here. I think we spoke about it this morning. It's not about how much time you put into this craft and how much time you spend on the charts and how many books on Forex you read or how much you know. It's really the application. Can you explain your main strategy? Yeah, we trade with the trend. That's our strategy. We have support, we have resistance. If you're coming from, those are universal terms, right, in Forex, universally used, support, resistance. So we have support, we have resistance, we wait for closures outside support and resistance in the direction of our buys, and we trade. That's the basics of it. Hey Wix, why is it a sell below 1869? Is your bias bearish? On the smaller time frame here, yeah, I am. It was a range 2 breakout, so now if we come back over here, we're gonna fill this range. Oh wow, Georgia with another touchdown. That's crazy. So you're gonna see something similar to, if we come back down below here, right? You're gonna see something similar to this, and it'll fill the range, and then something similar to this. It'll fill this range to here at least. Because we had range 1, you had range 2, range 3, and then technically now for us to come back up, this would be range 1, range 2, and then buys above here. This tends to happen a lot more during market open in Asian than in New York, because Asian tends to be the pullback session. The daily candle just opens. But it's, when I say tends to be, take everything I say with a grain of salt, and in that I mean not that I'm lying, but that it's not written in stone. There's no set rule. There are concepts you can use to your advantage to be right the majority of the time. But nothing here is set in stone. Nothing is 100%. Wix, what were your stats for the last year? I didn't keep stats. We started streaming beginning Q4. In Q4 we went 18 and 5, 17 and 5, 17 and 5 or 18 and 5. That's what we did. I think tomorrow I'll have stats on screen, unless anyone wants to take up the space below me and sponsor this stream with an ad. Until then. And when I'm saying anyone, I mean like if you're like a Fortune 500 company or Tesla or Red Bull. Other than that, I don't know. Are we doing GJ2? No. NordVPN? Yeah. Where's Elon? That's what I need, Elon. All right, yo, 825 here. Nice. Getting a closure above this range. 10 seconds. And did we? No. All right, so we didn't close above here, but remember what we were saying? We were looking for. Oh, did we? Just jumped up here at the last second. Yeah. It did. It closed barely above, and it should drive up here, but it's like it's right on my line, yo. There it goes. It's gonna drive. Well, here's the thing. If we remember, we were talking about this because the 30 is gonna close here, and yeah, it should drive. This is the daily flip. It's this 5 didn't really close here exactly how I wanted. It's like borderline. You guys see that? Really wanted above here. Yeah, I mean, it should drive. This is a good trade. Yeah. We got 4 minutes, right? If this candle pulls back and closes above here, we'll take position. But realistically, this is it's gonna hit the advantage point that we have. Yeah, this was a really solid trade. We just spoke about this. That's annoying. We could have been done for the night right here, chat. No, I didn't enter. I really wanted to. Honestly, if it gave me like another 2 seconds, I probably would have entered. I just didn't have enough time to really zoom in here, see how I drew this, and then go back to my MT5. I needed a split second, but it's all right. I mean, the concept, we just spoke about this, right? We broke it down. If you slacked on that, it's my first stream. I didn't slack. I broke it down. I told you. It just, look, it didn't clearly close above. Like, I wish it did. I'm sorry. Honestly, if I said enter, 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 I think a lot of you guys wouldn't have entered on time anyway. But this is the toughest thing about the 5. But if we close like this, right, I would have been in there with before even the bottom wick, just right off the rip, without expecting much of a bottom wick, because it's the 5 minute and we had a massive bottom wick here on the daily, hourly, 30. Everything had a bottom wick, so it was very easy to break down and see here. If anyone entered, congrats. I didn't enter. Wah, wah, wah. Oh shit. Alright, annotate, clear all drawings. Wow. Just spoke about this. It's annoying. All right, well, I think we're gonna call it a stream here. Just jokes, just jokes. Blue to Mars, yeah, we're supposed to. I mean, we broke down, right? Look, we just said it was gonna be above the 30 levels. 30 hasn't even closed yet. Let the 30 pull back. And look, the daily flipped here, right? It was the daily flip here as well. Should fill this daily wick. At least 3/4 of it. 1880 coming up sometime tomorrow. It's annoying. I mean, yeah, if you guys are trading and if you had confidence in the fact that it closed above clearly here, then you guys should have taken the trade. On to the next one. I feel like I let you guys down. Let you guys down. It's all right. It's all right. So, chat, we got a 30 closure here. Okay. Closed right at resistance. We're going to look for new 5-minute levels here, okay? So, at this point, we're bullish. We had our range 1, range 2 breakout. I'm honestly highly doubted. I highly doubt we're going to get a trade before 9 p.m. here, 9 p.m. Eastern. But we should have a lot of new info printed by then. But since we're here, let's look at our 5 zones and where we could take advantage of more buys. So, nice level above here, but do we drive above here? No, right? We drive above here. That's a level we respect, right? We want to emulate exactly what happens above this level. So we want to emulate this close, this drive, close here and drive. We want to emulate a respect here. The next candle drove up. So let's see. See, I'd say at least these levels we get to. So got a closure here, drove up. I believe small 10 pip range, but I also believe that the hourly above here will be really clean because there are clean candles. Come on. Should stops be a VA? Yeah, at least. You should have. I told you guys I was going to close 12, 13 pips, and then I was going to leave half for runners for the daily wick fill. That's my play. Probably would have closed a little more than half. So by now, 75% at least.
I pray the chopper never jam. Dirty 30 in my hand, DEA detective that got me cuffed on that ambulance. Ain't no solving no murders, welcome to murderland. Send a hit and scratch off a hit, I'm the murder man. Pray the Lord put his hands on me. And I know I took a risk with this when I put my hands on it. All my enemies watching, they plot and plan on me. They go with up one of the dead on me. Cause I can stand on it when it ain't the truth.
Chat, I'm gonna take a buy on the flip of this candle. We closed above a nice level here. Look at this. And every time we close above it, look what happens. Sorry, hold on. Let me set. I'm gonna have a buy stop on the break of the high of this candle right here, and then I'll show you what I was saying. I got a buy stop right here on TD. I can set it in time. Alright, it's moving. I'm just taking a buy right here, chat. My buy is 1873.87, and we are moving up.
We was pushing that powder and hard in. Back when they used to play with my heart in. Police might shoot me and kill me over my dark skin. Man, this game got me dark carded. Smoking drain like an alcoholic, don't get me started. I thought we was gonna thug it out to the end, but I guess that wasn't in the plans. I pray this chopper never jam. Yeah, yeah. I pray the chopper never jam. Yeah, yeah. I pray the chopper never jam.
Chat, my buy stop is right here. Oh. How do we get to GJ? Go back. All right, chat. So we closed above here, and this is our level here to fill. I'm gonna have buy stops below the previous, well, not the previous 5 anymore, because that 5 closed already. So below the 5 level over here, back into this range, and I'm gonna look to close at 1875 here, 1875.1. Oh shoot, I forgot to put this up. Chat at right here 1874.78. I'm gonna go break even. That's the fill of this wick right here, and we're gonna be going into this level right here of rejection. So I would go break even there, but I didn't get anything close to even 10 yet, so I'm not break even.
She ready to get in the streets for
what I'm looking at is this chat. This. So I'm looking for us to emulate this range, the fill of this range, okay? Or at least to this level right here. If we can get there, it'd be great. I'm annoyed here, chat. 4-hour close here. I'm thinking of closing at break even, waiting for the 4-hour to close. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for this 5-minute. 5-minute comes back, closes in range, then I'll close it. If we break this previous high, chat, I'm going to go break even. If we breaks the previous 5 high. Okay? Not going to close anything, but I will go break even if we break the previous 5 high. Matter of fact, bring this up now. I think I'm going to go break even right now. We have... I'm not break even yet, chat. I really want the break of the highs. Yeah, chat. 8:43 here, 8:45. I'm gonna go break even. We're breaking the highs here. I'm not closing anything. I'm just break even here. Okay. Taking risk off the table. So here's the thing. We're entering the last 15 of the 4 hour, which is not something I want to be stuck in. So if we do come back, I'm fine with hitting a break even and getting another trade after the 4 hour close. But at the moment, we have a 5 hour wick special going on, right? We broke the high, so that's in our favor. And if it does drive, we're in it. If it doesn't, it's risk free. It's house money at this point. And the thing is, if it doesn't drive here after breaking that 5 high, it's gonna wait for the 4 hour and then create a new 5-minute range, and then it will trade that. But if you got our initial position, well, initial breakdown where we were supposed to get in right here when we started paying attention to this, and should be sitting pretty, 25 pips in profit. Chad, I haven't closed anything yet.
I jumped off the porch and I hopped in the street. Yeah, my name is Glock and I keep it on me. Yeah, I am so
At 10, a little more.
Same look gone and off IG. Just told my wrist ain't shining like we. Big Glock, long money, these boys pee with. Trying to get my get back, some greed. I ain't gonna never let him rest in peace. Stand on that.
Oh, we're pulling up. Alright, chat. We got 13 pips here. You know what? I'm gonna close full here. I'm closing full here just to win the first trade of the year. Get it under our belt. Boom. 13 pips closed. Ah. You know what I mean? First trade of the year in the books. 5-minute. Works like a charm. Like the 30. Like the 1. It's going to keep driving here. We should have been in from down here. But, you know, you don't. It didn't get a clear closure, but whoever did is riding pretty. Whoever's still in these trades, it should keep going up, but I closed full at 13. Congratulations. Thank you guys for joining us. The most profitable, the most vibey, I guess is that the word, the least toxic Forex community. Right? Is that what it is? Yeah, Chad. Congratulations. High fives.
I feel good.
Oh, shit. Thank you guys for coming through. Did we call it a stream here? We should have called it a stream like 20 minutes ago, right? We should have called it a stream when the first one went flying. It's alright. Look how we closed perfectly. Look, I closed 13 and went maybe 2 or 3 pips more. Now it's coming back because it peaked. That's why we have advantage points, and we see that the 4 hours close. That's why I closed full. 4 hours closing. So you might as well just close full. Stay out of the pullback because a high chance of a pullback, right? The 4 hour must leave some kind of wick here, right? Not that it must leave, but chances are, probability dictates the 4 hour will leave a wick here. And if it was filled completely and it was breaking highs, it could only leave a wick in the last 10-15 minutes. So it was the previous 5 zone, which should have been our initial 5 entry. That's what our stop was over here. When we would have known we're in the wrong direction. So it was around 18 pips, 20 pips. You ain't really bad, pipe down, I don't give a fuck right now. Why everybody judge like Simon Cowell? All up on my IG, undercover. But you don't like me, suck your mother. Okay, is this? I feel like music loud as hell, but it's not. There we go. Was just thinking about something. So say the daily bias is bullish. It is, but the 4 hour closes below a support. Okay, can you still look for buys, say if there are closes above a zone? Depending on the zone and depending if we're closing back and if we're respecting a range 2 zone or a range 1 zone, or is it a range 3 zone? Is anyone still holding? This fucking thing's running. It never came back to our stops to break even. Look, the 4-hour candle doesn't have a fucking wick. It's just breaking the previous 4-hour high. We really wanted to be in on this daily flip, right from right here. We'd be sitting pretty from 1871, but I let you guys down. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right. But yeah, it's nuts. 380 people on here caught it, right? It's beautiful. If you missed my initial breakdown and the trade on there, the one I didn't take, you had the chance to take this one where we did take it. First stream jitters. You know what? I thought I was gonna be nervous, and I thought I was gonna be rusty, but boy.
Wow, I feel good.
I'm not rusty at all. I'm glad to be back. Really glad to be back. Awesome. Congrats, everybody. Oh, you got a boo-boo? It's healing. Wow, good job. Love you. Quarter with 2.05 buys and different entries. TP'd one of them for run. One is going to run maybe 1890 where the massive block is. Sure. Yeah, get that first one out the way. And I honestly, guys, I'm just gonna keep it like at this. There's gonna be many opportunities right now after the 4-hour close. But I had a W this morning. I had a W in London. I had a W in Asian. Hey, Sarasan, thank you for showing up. What's EGP? Egyptian pound? What is that? Right? I don't know what it is, but thank you for showing up. My man bought me some coffee. Beautiful. Appreciate it. Drop a like if anyone's leaving right now. I'm gonna chill out here. I'm not leaving yet, chat. I mean, we can hang out here. We can kick it, right? I'm the type of friend that, like, we can kick it, right? I'll let you know when you can go. We can kick it. But I had in the last 4 sessions, I had dub after dub after that. Yeah, I haven't taken a loss since last year. Anyone on my vibe right now? Anyone else not take a loss since last year? Parker J. You know what? I was smoking a big fat Jamaican J right before I hopped on. And I was pissed. I was kind of frustrated hopping on today too, because I missed my gym today. Usually at that time I'm at the gym right before the stream, and at around 5:30 I'll hit the gym. And I dropped my kids off at the park. My daughter fell. And let me close the door. I'm about to light one up. So yeah, my daughter fell and scraped her knees, and we had to do that. Daddy Wicks was Dr. Wicks for about 20 minutes. How long you been trading for? Irrelevant. You can do it. Starting right now, you can do it. People in this chat are proof that you can do it within months, within a year. Yeah, I spent more time trading than most people will spend getting their doctorate, their master's and doctorate combined. I spent more time trading than it would take you to finish a 4-year anniversary and go for your master's and doctorate. If you count I think we counted the hours at my friend and I, at some point we counted the hours like a year and a half ago, 2 years ago. How many years to master? I don't know. I'll let you know when I master it. I'll let you know when I get there. I'm not there yet. I haven't mastered shit. I just see things in the chart after spending. This is knowledge guided by experience. It really is. And I don't know. I'm far away from that. There's way better traders than me out there, right? But I've noticed different weaknesses in the market, different nuances that I can take advantage of. And I've come across a community that's like-minded. And then I started a community that's like-minded here. And it's awesome. Shout out to Donvo for providing the platform for us initially. That boy puts in work. Donvo puts in work. Like, he's not just out there chilling all the time. That boy's working. And he does a lot. Like, he's worked on these concepts a lot to the point of where, like, he would hit me up and I'd be tired of hearing it. I'd be like, come on. I know you've been working on this. But then, like, shit works, right? You don't have to master everything. You have to master your own impulses. That's what you got to do. If you can master your own impulses to not do stupid shit and to not waste your money on fucking dumb positions. Let's take a quick look at GJ. No. I mean, we took a look at GJ today, right? By mistake. Okay. GJ's also bullish, right? For the day, but you had to arrange 2 breakouts happen so you can technically drive down here, right? This candle closed below. It already drove down, so initially this was a good sell. See, here's the thing. What I'm reluctant to do is take GJ to the 5-minute because it's just not as strong of a pair volume-wise. So I'm reluctant to do that. For that reason, I've stopped trading GJ. I'm like, you guys won't see. We won't even do breakdowns on other pairs, right? We'll look at news. We got no fucking news. And honestly, this year, I'm just not even gonna look at other pairs. This is what I'm gonna keep it. This is all we're gonna look at. All you're gonna see here is gold. This whole year, we won't even. If somebody asks to look at another pair, I won't do that. It's like imagine you're in school and you're sitting in like ancient history class. And someone walks in and he's like, hey, but can you real quickly for 10 minutes, can you go over this algebra problem? Why? It's irrelevant here. We're not teaching it. No, you guys can keep looking at GJ. I don't mind it, but I just realized that you don't need it. It's stressful enough. And because you're taking gold down to the 5-minute, you're taking gold down to the 5 minutes, right? So you're going to see a lot more opportunities. So this is a good way to work on yourself, on your impulses, on your relationship with money, the greed factor. Do you really need another pair, or can you survive, or can you take advantage of the gold to such an extent, or where you don't need to look at other pairs? You simplified gold to such an extent where but yeah, if I'm teaching gold here, or if we're going over gold, we're all, you know, learning gold. Like, what's the point of looking at something else if that's not what I want you guys to pick up on? And the 5 minute is different on GJ. The nuances there are different because GJ is not as technical as gold, and it has less volume than gold. And for that reason, I'm out.
Shooters on my team like a signer. Say you won't smoke, that's all I need to know. They can wipe a nigga nose like a signer. Staring at the Rolls Royce roof, tell them aim for the stars, little nigga, don't settle. You can never rain on my parade, my cars come with the umbrellas. I'm a top dog, can't match my speed. This a Lamborghini, not a SRT. I ain't never met no bitch I need, and I never let a broke bitch hit my weed. No way, I'm too high for your bitches, can't locate. Hey, no man ain't never been okay. I put the squeeze on these niggas like Colgate. Let's go.
Hey, finally. Some things weren't loading for me, chat. Sorry. So we had a 4-hour closure here, right? 4-hour back in range, back above here. Technically, this next 4 hours should make a bottom wick and drive up. And on the 5 minute, it'll probably come back down, get an onion. Or if you see what I'll look for on the 5 minute here, since our levels are different now, right? We've had a resistance here. Move this up here. I don't even think I like this level. I like this level right here. Yeah. So you get a closure above there. Buys above here. Closure. Get rid of this. There'll be no sells tonight for the session. For Asian session at least. So what you want to see, if you guys really want more positions, what is this happening? Here we go. Hey, nice. SEO score 95. Love it. Okay, so what I would look for here, if we end up coming back down, if this 5 minute comes back down, closes here, and then the next 5 minute comes back up, closes above again, then you can have more buys here on the 5 minute to fill the range again. Or you want some closures above here, right? And then more buys to fill this range right here, which would be, I moved the thing roughly 20 pips. Sorry, I moved the chart. But those are my ideas as I'm looking at it. And I won't look at this unless this just starts playing out. We never even hit break even on the current position. Never came back there. Got close. Got within a pip. Enter the buy before going to bed. Now are we gonna buy for around 1878? I mean, no, I closed my position at 13 pips, but if you're still holding, I don't think it ever came back to break even. Didn't hit. What do you think about paying for signals? I believe if you're not in the industry, it's tough. I believe to get signals, you also have to kind of know how to trade and really be in tune with how your mentor or your signal provider trades. Because if you're taking their signal, not understanding that they're looking at a 5-minute, and you think you can swing trade their buy or sell, like, you know what I mean? You have to be in tune with what they're doing. Otherwise, your expectations are, you're buying the wrong thing. You basically went online in the marketplace, put the wrong product in your basket, and then went to checkout and bought the wrong product. So you really got to be in tune with your signal provider and kind of trade like they do, and understand what they're doing. Otherwise, it's just not going to work out. Hey, can you explain what you mean by gold is more technical? Yeah, it respects levels a lot better, I think, than GJ. It's a lot clearer in levels. It tends to drive through ranges. It tends to give indications of, of volume. GJ is just a little more random. I'm yawning, break it dawning. Uh-oh. You trade with funded account. I need something to ignore that.
If one of y'all says some silly ass
basically, I'm not funded because funded puts you in a box and instills the wrong mentality and the wrong mindset in order to be profitable in trading long term. But overall, I got nothing against it. You want to go do funded, do funded. Who cares? You could do funded. There's plenty of funded traders on here probably that could buy with us. I know your focus is a goal right now, but what are you thinking about GJ buys? Okay. I'm thinking no bueno on the 5-minute. I'm thinking definitely no buys on the higher time frame. Everything is bearish. I mean, the 30 broke the high, really, but it's just a 4-hour creating top wick. Well, hold on. I would look at it like this. Which one?
I got so many feelings, I can't never go to Canada. But Drake said he gon' put some screens, so let me check my calendar. I just popped me one of them whatchamacallits and it boosted my stamina. Now I'm fucking her on the bouncer stuff. Guess I just East Atlanta. I'm in, I already dropped tarantula. Fuck a challenge, yeah, me hoes ain't got no manners, bruh. What's the manners? I keep throwing rubber bandits up. Ho, pull your panties up, cause you fuck like a granny. Fuck, you're just an amateur. Petite Philippe gon' make this cricket, just try throw the book at me. I look like $500,000 worth of heroin when she look at me. But you ain't gotta fuck with me, my nigga, but you stuck with me. But how you call the cops on me, my nigga? You grew up with me.
I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about
I'd be looking for sells in a range 2 breakout here.
unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm
I would not be looking for buys at all. Maybe unless if we close, unless we start closing back above, you know, above range here. If we start driving. We just, oh wait, wrong color. What the fuck? Yeah, if we start driving up here, get a closure above here. Maybe this is the candle to trade here, right? But honestly, I don't think it's gonna happen. If it does, it's gonna happen way later, and you're gonna have a lot of info printed here for London. It's not as technical here, GJ, but I would look for sells here. I would look for this candle, current candle, to close bullish. Current time frame right here. This 1 hour might close bullish. And then the break of the lows here is valid on the next candle. Right. Or the flip of this candle. There you go. I'm bearish. I would be bearish here. I don't know. You tell I'm kind of disinterested with GJ. Like I've been, and if you think about it, yeah. Look how nice he is. After tonight, I'm not looking at GJ. I promise you, there will be no looking at other pairs. But fuck, I lost my train of thought. Slight echo? There's no echo. Don't tell me that. Oh, there is an echo. You guys are right. Now it's gone. There was an echo. You're right. Whoever caught that. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. I got rid of it. There was. What do you read in the 4-hour daily candle to see the opportunity for the day? The direction, our trend. GJ is bullish on the weekly, on the daily, but for GJ on the smaller time frame right here, because you're scalping. You see your goal here? You guys are thinking too far ahead. You're here only for 2 hours, so you're only here for 2 hourly candles, right? So you only have 2 candles to take advantage of here. This previous 1 hour candle, right? This is our entire session. This candle and this candle. Within these 2 candles, you have to find an opportunity, right? So what do? We go down to the 5, and this works really well with gold. But within this 1 hour here and this 30, I understand why you guys are looking, oh, let me buy, it's going to come up here. But understand that when that happens, it's going to be out of market time, so it won't drive like you're thinking, where it's just going to, you know, magically, nope, it's not going to happen. It's gonna trickle up, down, whatever it is. It's gonna, but if you're bullish, eventually it'll get to the level that you need it to be above, and it'll happen. And for it to move, right, for there to be volume in the market, there needs to be a catalyst. That catalyst is gonna be market open, or market close, or anything that happens during market open or pre-market. The expectation of volume, right? That's gonna be the catalyst to move the markets. And when you get the combination of that, of your closures back in the right direction, or in the right range, and it happens during volume times, that's the candle. You need to predict only one candle. Your goal here is to predict the next 5-minute or the next 30-minute or the next 1 hour candle. That's it. Not to sit here and predict when the market's going to go here, where it's going to go. No, you're looking at where it is right now and predict just this candle. That's it. Be out. It's the whole goal here. Otherwise, you're not looking to scalp. You're coming here preparing for a scalp. You're coming here scalping, but preparing for swing. You know, or just What you mean lower the music? Music is down. I can turn the music off. It's pretty low. Is the music loud, everybody? I feel like the shit's been pretty low. So yeah, back to gold. And I'm gonna get rid of GJ here on the watch list too. We're done. GJ, it's not you. It's me, GJ. I'm sorry, but I gotta let you go. No, you can't have a hug. I'll let you go. I found somebody else, GJ. Yeah. She a runner and a track star. Alright. Get out. Hey. There she is. My baby. Oh shit. She still never hit it. She never hit BE. Yeah, gonna do gold all year. So far, right now, I'm enjoying the winning streak that gold has provided us. So we're gonna stick to this. Yeah, there's a lot of room here, but so many opportunities to trade here. There's so many opportunities. Look, you had a level here. So remember, I just drew a close below, come back up for a fake out. I thought the level was here, but I never changed it. But realistically, the level is here. And look, when we close above it, it drives up. It's gotta look back, right? We're basing everything we do based on historical price data. Technical analysis, study of historical price data, right? That's what it means. That's what you guys should be doing. Studying previous data. Look, closure above, drive up, drive up. So we just had a fake out, close below, came back above, entry, boom, should be driving up. You ever use dollar index to correlate with gold? That's gonna be a no for me, dog. Gotta take GJ out the title, fam? Nah, that's the trick. It brings people. Yeah, I'm gonna take GJ out. I think more people search GJ than they do gold, though. Maybe we can convert some GJ chasers into gold chasers. Why not remove GJ from the watch list? For the same reason you don't delete your ex-girlfriend's phone number when you break up with her, right? You still have that in your phone, right? Betcha. Don't be asking me about GJ. It's none yet. This is between me and my jump off. How do I determine my stop loss? It would be below the 5-minute zone. The previous 5-minute zone. Some dudes are like, shh, chill, Wix, my girl watching this. Shh. He just kidding, babe. He don't mean that. Just jokes, women. All right, don't worry, boys. I got you. I got you, boys. This is incredible. I'm still stunned. We had 380 show up for our first stream of the year. Maybe we'll get our peak viewers sometime this week. That'd be nice. Peak viewers is always nice. I think peak viewers we had, I think, is 480. I think that's our peak. Yeah, I think 480 viewers was peak. We definitely had either close to damn near 300 likes, like 290, 98. Yeah. Definitely sub to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a like. That's how we grow the community. That's a proven fact that that's how the algo works. That's how the YouTube algo works. The more people like the stream, the more people show up to watch the stream because YouTube recommends it to more people. The more people sub, same thing. YouTube recommends it to more people, and then more people show up over here. And we just keep growing. You're cool, laid back. I'll bring you more. Yeah, log in with all your burners. Yo, if you got burners, log in with all your burners. Shameless plugs be working. Yeah, I be plugging it in at the peak times, high volume times. 8 a.m. high volume. 9:30 high volume. Oh. Yeah. Thank you, Donvo, for providing the platform for me to pull my shameless plugs for Asian session. I told them they thought I was crazy. Young gunna been hot. Trump in the spot, I got raided. I custom the watch. Two-tone the president, Elliot made it. The Cuban look like it's faded. We can't do the case quiet tonight. All the mods are quiet tonight. I want to know how everybody did. How'd you do, mods? Let's go. I feel like today's trade was last year. Today's trade was ages ago. Yeah, we took a dub. Kate dipped. As soon as we won, she unsealed it. What you do for a living? I'm a soldier on Call of Duty. You have a radio job outside of trading? No. I have other incomes outside of trading. There she is. I thought Green had the monopoly on mods for a second. Yeah, Kate creeping. I manage a basketball team, fantasy. Word. I model. Instagram. I fight wars. Call of Duty. Did you ever own a dispensary? At this point, no. There was a point in my past where that's something I wanted to do. At this point, no. It's not anywhere on my radar, nothing like that I'd ever want to do. I just want to get my weed, smoke it, and I blow a pound of kush up in the air. So it's kind of, we've established a new 5-minute range here, right? It's a better level here.
My brothers don't die, we just rusty bark. I tell you, got to link me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets, we're taking body shots. Then I finish with a facial just to top it off. Ay, my brothers don't die, we just rusty bark. I tell you, got to link me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets, we're taking body shots. Then I finish with a facial just to top it off. Ay.
Hey.
I had a couple seasons made a forest. I put in the work and take the profit. Looking at my girl, like what a goddess. Thank God. Rule number 2.
Looking for buys on a potential fake out. So you would look for buys on a potential fake out. So you'd want a closure below here and then a closure back above, or you'd want to hold the support. So if you get a bullish closure here, but you also want it to make sense on the higher time frames, right?
Yeah, I used to hit it, but you're stuck with her. Man, I wouldn't even try my luck with her. Yeah, let's say I'm bougie, way too exclusive. Chilling in Dubai, know I get it all inclusive. Now, may I ask if you can find it in your spirit? To leave us all alone and go and mind your fucking business. Looking in the mirror, saying my key or the illest. When I'm James Bond, trying to live my.
There's so many people doing London. So many people. So many people doing every session. I think there's a whole bunch of people doing Asian now. Actually, I have no clue. Do not search it up right now, stream hoppers. Do it later. Once we go, then go search up other streams. For now, actually, fuck that. Go search up other streams. Drop a like, show some love, and do what every Forex stream hopper does. Stir shit up, baby. Stir shit up. Yeah. Go to that stream and just be like, yo, you know what? They said this and he said that and fuck your mother and all that. Go ahead. Do it. Let's see what happens. I dare you. Yeah. It's all love. That's how it should be. Yeah. You guys should be. If you see somebody, you know, spending their time trying to actually provide value, drop a like, show some love. But other than that, fuck that. Show up right here. Oh shit. My type of guy. Why? Like stirring the pot up. Supply zone? I mean, you mean like the resistance? Yeah, right here where it says buys above. All 3 sessions every day. Do it. Be the first to stream. You're gonna be the first to die from streaming all 3 sessions every day. Yes, crazy. You try streaming all 3 sessions one day. You'll need like 4 weeks of sleep, 3 vacations, and a new mattress. Ring, ring, ring. Oh. I just put the key inside my pocket pocket, might not get to see it. This a new Ferrari, man. In the mirror, you choose to bother someone, say they calling. Mattress Mac. I don't even know what that is. What's a mattress Mac? You hit your stop loss? No. Where did we hit stop loss? We closed our trades. We went. Sorry, chat. All right. So let's go back to the 5-minute. This was our entry. This wasn't our stops, right? So we entered the trade right here. We bought, and then we closed the trade right here. And then we went stops. We put our stops to break even, and then we closed our trade. And then we just left this green box here because it kind of looks cool on screen when you're winning, and then when you're losing, it doesn't look good. But no, we closed our trade right here. Our stops was here, and then when we were in profit and we broke highs, when we rebroke these highs right here, we moved our stops to break even. Oh. So yeah, but there, better. Yeah, I think that's all she wrote. You heard about it last night on Don's stream. What? Last night? Calling it a night. Glad to have you back. Yo, once again, thank you guys for showing up. Everybody, thank you for showing up. My Insta, IG's in the description. My IG's in the description, but I'm gonna have a command for it and try to get a night bot to do that shit. All right. Yeah, I gotta put this in a journal. So I'm gonna go back to this and put the journal in, and then you guys will have access to it. The thing is, I haven't fucked around with the new journal, so I will tonight, and we're gonna put the record up on stream here. Even though honestly, I think all these things are irrelevant. Just show up every day and win every day. Doesn't matter what your records are. I mean, it looks pretty for all new people, but relevant. We've been on a massive winning streak, and we slayed last year. We slayed the year before that. Just 2.5 years of stats. How long can you keep stats for? I mean, data's your best friend, especially when you're learning. But at this point, it's irrelevant. But outside of that, I think we are done here. Congrats. What a welcome back. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you, mods, for showing up. Green, you the fucking man. Okay. Awesome. Thank you for being here. Thank you, trolls. I'm sorry, no content today again. I know you guys waited all Christmas break for me to come back so you guys can have some content. And no content. Yeah, and hopefully we got a bunch of new viewers, and if we did, hopefully you guys are now fans and subscribers. Turn on notifications. This way you guys know when I'm on. Hey Siri, remind me that Wix 9 streams every morning on YouTube. Hey Siri, scratch that. Remind that Wix. Oh damn. Every morning. Hey Siri, remind me that Wix 9 is streaming every evening at 8 p.m. Eastern. Better have activated a whole bunch of your series. I hope most of you were here on time and got the W with us. And my Android ignores me more than my ex. Can't do shit with that. But thank you guys for showing up for the first stream. I think it was a really successful stream. We took the W, and now they say the way that you start the year is the way you're going to spend it. So we just started the year with the dub. Let's spend it with a dub, right? Let's make this year one big fucking W. Mods, chat, you're all awesome. Don Vo, where you at, dog? You said you were going to come through. I know you're trading, and you didn't show up here. You get a 0 for the day. And all you over traders out there that are going to stay on here and try to get another position as I close the charts, all you over traders,
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, by the way, New York sessions continue. If you guys just joined us for the first time tonight and you guys are new to Devious and what we do, New York sessions will be live tomorrow on YouTube, 6:30 a.m. Eastern on Don Vo's channel, and then we're right back here at 8 p.m. Eastern on my channel. I will see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your evening. Enjoy your dubs. Love and wisdom to you all.
My career about to blast like bubbly. I'm not waiting for her to say she love me. I can tell she fuck with me, man, trust me. I got a 10-year-old mix still like fuzzy. 325 on the dashboard. Riding the Porsche, rockin' Tom Ford. I bought out Bernie's new Christian Dior. I took the jet to the New York store. She lit while I'm driving, I'm standing the floor. I took it off track, now I'm riding this boy. You stay in your feelings, you never my boy. I can't come to the hood, I pull a decoy. Another body dropping, they screaming my name. I'm going to LA on a private plane. Could never come back in my family straight. I'm touchable, no, too rich or too paid. Skeleton cardiac, black diamond spades. Pull up too deep like a fucking parade. Oh, jealous ass niggas try to fuck up my pay. Blessed up, Aurora's culling in rain. I put baguettes in my wrist, and my neck, and my ears, and my motherfucking chains. This drip out the trenches, I know you gon' dig it. I go through the motherfucking plane. I cut up my wrist, soaking wet, and Coachella keep calling, they won't see the fame. I took her to China and changed up her climate, and now she ain't talking the same.
5 nights up, still popping and raging. The SVR still living the range. I want her, she wanted the same, and above same time, both glad that they came. Keep me a vibe, I can't keep it contained. No, I keep me some dolls, always keep them in training. Tat a logo on the back of my brain. Don't ask me what the fuck am I thinking. Back of these walls, I'm full of that drink. Air came through with a little entertainment. Air 29 got her looking like space. Houston is a problem where we busting her faces. Shit. I came with the snakes, no squid. Straight up, I broke out the game with a 4-5-6. She loving the fest, I see it. She loving the fest, yeah, I see it on her face. And I'm loving that body and lace. And I love you, little spider and Jack. Yeah, I know you got taste. If you lay yourself, take shots with me. If I love you, I drop you a pin to a time and a place.
YSL put a nigga 6 feet. I ain't begging when I tell a bitch please. Me and Lil Thug on fleek. Got a little hoe wanna meet. Ayy, what? Fuck on beat. Over your life, not cheap. All me on boy 2T. Why I just hit my account, never seen that amount. Oh God, I'm geek. Been on the charts for 500 weeks, so somebody love when I speak. Doing this shit just to show we get down in the 6, man, it's bigger than me. Texas ran so big, that shit is perfect for the dipping. I don't care how wet I get her, she won't catch me. 325 on the dashboard, riding a Porsche like a Tom Ford, rocking the bed in the headboard. What? Buying that Louis and Christian Dior. I took the jet to the New York store, park at a regular airport. You stay in your feelings, was never my boy.
Niggas know I get it, cause they know that I'm a beast. And she know that I'm a beat it. Started know that I'm a beast. All them niggas know I get it.
And I thought you was ready for the switchblade. Cause the Audemars come with the square mind, and the Rolex come with the big face. Wow, wobble loud. We turned up loud, we running wild. For the gang, for the crown, for the team, for the town. Make my tribe niggas proud. Going down. Riding, showing me the man, giving me the hands, showing me finesse, giving me the grind plan. I don't understand. Niggas snack DVD, I'm standing here inside the street. Right here on Linden Bully, 30 niggas, 30 deep. Bitches standing with the sticks, bitches gritting on their teeth. Tell me what the fuck you want and you can sign the release. I got diamond on my neck, 20,000. Pay me my respect, pull it house on. Tell a nigga, yeah, you are not a threat. Fry a nigga, yeah, bust it, no regret. Nigga, chopper gone, acapella, rock a roof for really. I'ma spend $250,000. Being broke is my Achilles, nigga. Motherfucking duty free liquor that I'm buying for some niggas that I only just took my ex back cause it's vintage. I got the Rari outside and it's tinted. It's untinted, never had to squint when you glimpse it. Niggas snack DVD, I'm standing here inside the street. Right here on Linden Bully, 30 niggas, 30 deep. Bitches standing with the sticks, bitches quitting on their teeth. Tell me what the fuck you want and you can sign the release.
Boy, smack DVD up, got to pull up with the creek. Got to pull up on the creek, got to find a way to beach. How they trap with the streets. For the money, hit the field, better put on Yeezy cleats. Tell me up, they say yeah, you done enough. Boy, I ain't done enough until we run the number up. Man, you talking about me, what it, yeah, I'm a thug. Man, you talking about the president, I call the number up. Man, you talking about Elon, I call the number up. Man, you talking about Kent, you know you effing up. Could you talk to the mayor about Breonna Taylor? I told the president for it, giving my life to the Lord. Smack DVD and wigs, think that would it be? Gotta seize with the murders, gotta pull up with the fleet. It's 1,000 black babies getting murdered every day. They don't know where to go, how to build a plan A. Okay, yeah, this is me, what they gonna say to me? I'm the only one out here that really getting free. Gotta build a family, how to build a family. It's to do a damn way, everything that I pray.
Snack DVD, I'm standing here inside the street. Right here on Linden Bully, 30 niggas, 30 deep. Bitches standing with the sticks, bitches quitting on their teeth. Tell me what the fuck you want and you can sign the release.
Remix. Off the corner with the money, I got a verse.
Cook that shit up, quick.
St. John, Puerto Hendrix.
So Lee be a millionaire.
Rose, I walked in the corner with the body screaming daughter. Never sold it back, but looking like Pablo in the photo. This gon' make them feel the way like Tony Cumanolo. You already know them, you already know them. I walk in the corner with the money on my finger. She might get it poppin', I might wife for photo. I already know, nigga Rose. All I need is Rose. Turn up, baby, turn up when I turn it on. You know how I get too late when I turn it on.
Later, everyone.